One of the best ways to make the most money in trading is to learn how to hold your position at least for a longer time, right? I'm not saying day traders or scalper does not make money, but those who really make the most out of trading are those who can hold their trade for at least 2 or 4 or 1 week, right? And if you have the capacity enough, you can hold your trade for at least 1 month or two, right? Some of my biggest win in forex trading comes from the trade that I've held for a longer period of time. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you a particular trade that I'm currently in right now. And this particular trade is a swing trading. And if you find this video early enough, you can also jump on this particular trade so you can make good money for yourself, right? So without wasting much time, I'll be showing you my screen and explain to you how I'm able to catch this swing trade opportunity. Let's go. So this is the trade that I'm currently on. Now, this particular trade is Euro AUD, right? And if you look at it, I've been holding this trade for at least 2 good days right now. Why? Because the momentum of the market is not that volatile, because the market was a bit choppy, this is the first week of June, and you know how the first week normally is, especially when we are expecting NFP and other news related, right? And this new week that we're about to go in, I'm filming this particular video on a Saturday, so I believe on Monday from next week we'll be having a lot of momentum. But now, how am I able to catch this trade, and what is my belief that this trade will definitely come here, right? So I'll be using a clean chart to illustrate my analysis for you. Now, if you come to Euro AUD, a clean chart. Now, one of the rules you must follow if you want to catch lots of pips in the market is to look from the higher time frame. Now, this is on the daily, but I'll be going to the monthly so that I can get the overall view of the market. Now, if you look on the monthly time frame, what do we have? We have price respecting this particular high, right? Now, price even got here, and what happened? We have the weak rejection. So the next time price got here was this particular time, which is April 1st. Now, the last time price was here was what? Around 2020, right? That's about 5 years ago. So price came back after 5 years to this particular region. It didn't even get up before what? We have that weak rejection. Now, on the monthly time frame, each candle you see here represents 1 month, right? Now, if you look here, we have, this is the last month candle and this is the current month candle, meaning that this candle here is for June, here is for May. Now, on the May candle, what happened on May, you see that price got here before the bulls push it up and closed here, right? Now, when price closed here, the other month that opened, when price closed, open here and start coming down. So here right now, we're analyzing this particular candle, and also haven't determined that we have a double top here on the higher time frame. It's also a strategy for you to use to look for sell opportunity. Now you can know why I'm selling. Now, if I want to determine overall where price will come to, this is the base I should be looking at. Did you see that? Because this is the low that created this high, right? This is the low that created this high. But you may even want to be taking your profit at an interval, right? We have another low here. So if you look here, I'll be taking my final profit here on this low. But first, I will just have to close some position here, because I could see that we have a low here that price respected and push up. All right, so let's measure it, right? If you come here and measure from here to this high, this is about now around 45 pips. Did you see that? And you can even take your profit even here, probably if you have many positions open, right? This is another candle. Now let's take from here, let's assume that price we get to this level here, that we had this push to the upside. Now if you measure it from here to this level, is about 339 pips. Did you see that? And overall, if you can hold your trade longer enough, price will be coming up onto this level, right? Let's measure it all together from this low to this high. It's about 1,447 pips. Did you see how you can make the most money out of it, right? So this is why I recommend you have a special account for swing trading. All you want to just do is just to look for a trade like this and lock in, right? You can only just come back to check probably after a day or two to see what is happening on the market. You don't need to be looking at your MT5 all the time. So let's scale further. So by coming to the weekly time frame, what do we have? You can see why I was already on a sell on that particular level. Right now, I've determined where the market is heading towards. So what I would just do is to be looking for sell opportunity. And what happened is I was able to get on that sell early enough here on this at this region here. Now this is the current market. Now let's see how you can take advantage of that sell. Now I didn't see the market when the market broke below here. I was late to the party, but what I was waiting for, I waited for price to come back to this level, because right then price already gave this high, came here. I waited for price to come back to this level to give me a retest to that level. Why? Because you don't want to sell at a discount, you want to sell at a premium price. So price was there when I was on the chart. I waited for price to push back here so I can sell. All right, so this is on the daily time frame. Let's come to the 1 hour time frame. All right, and that was where I was able to spot where I can easily go in, right? All right, but for clarity, let me come to 4 hour and show you something. Now on the 4 hour time frame, what did I see? I saw that price created a double top here and broke below, right? So price needed to come back to the neckline before I can get in. And this is a strategy that I've taught here several times. When you have price break below here, right, you need price to come back to this neckline, then give you a double top to go in. And this is what happened here. So price created that structure that I was waiting for. Did you see that? Broke below it, then I need the price to come back, then I'll go in. Did you see? Is it not looking the same? You can see it's looking the same. So this is the push that we are looking for to sell, which is this particular leg that you are seeing here. You will notice that I got in here, right? I got in here, and right now we are in profit, right? Got in here. Right now we are in profit. Prices here. First CP will be here, which is over 300 pips, all right? 318 pips. Then my second CP will be here, right? You can see it's about 900 pips here, and by our standard, price might still come here, which is about 1,400, 1,400 plus pip, right? But here, I'll be scaling in more trades the more price keep breaking my levels, right? The moment I keep seeing price breaking, even here, I will scale in more trade. Here, I will scale in more, because this is how you want to maximize your opportunity to make money in the market, because you may not always get this opportunity all the time, right? So this is how I'll maximize it. So the moment price keep breaking this low, I'll be adding more positions to run here, because you never could still tell price can get here, right, and go back up, right? But here I'll be taking my profit, so I can allow some trade to run. If I get to see anyone breaks below this particular support, then I'll be waiting for that retest to go in again, right? This is how you can make good money off of the market. So as a trader, if you can have the capacity to hold your trade for as long as you can, you will make the most use of the market. If you find value in this video, let me know in the comment section. And if you are not already subscribed, please do that to encourage me so I can do more good video like this for you. My name is Gordon Trade. This is what I do on a daily basis. So I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thank you and stay blessed.